Hello, welcome to the Met Office week ahead forecast. It's almost as if there are two separate weather forecasts this week. For Western Scotland, North West England, North Wales and Northern Ireland, it's going to be wet and often fairly windy, some significant rain in places. A complete contrast, though, for the rest of England and Wales, as well as for parts of eastern Scotland. Here we'll have much drier weather and it will turn increasingly warm by the end of the week. It's been a quiet start to the week, with low pressure quite far away, but during Monday night, the jet stream to the west of the UK will strengthen. Now, the jet stream is a fast-flowing current of air high in the sky. It tends to pick up areas of low pressure and send them across the globe, and that's exactly what it's doing by the time we start Tuesday. It sends this cold front southwards across the country. And that means Monday evening through the hours of darkness as well. Tuesday morning, we're going to see a spell of wet and windy weather across northern Britain. But by the start of Tuesday, as the front sinks into central parts of Britain, it's no more than an area of patchy cloud and showery outbreaks of rain, but also a lot of fine weather on the map for much of Tuesday, some sunshine and temperatures 17, 18 Celsius, feeling pleasant in that sunshine. But the wind and rain returns into northwest Britain by the end of the day. It's this low pressure that starts to arrive from the west, and as isobars tighten, there'll be strong gusty winds, and these weather fronts will be quite active for a time as well. So let's focus in Tuesday evening on this spell of wet and windy weather. It's going to be heavy and prolonged across northern and western Scotland, over the hills in particular, but for the east of Scotland and later in the night for northwest England, no more than a few showers. The winds will be gusty everywhere, though, with gusts in exposed locations of 50 miles an hour or more. The rainfall over western hills totting up through the night, could see a couple of inches. By the start of Wednesday, that front slows down. It's going to be centred over southern Scotland, northern England, North Wales and Northern Ireland. Wind and rain continuing through much of the day, and for the higher ground in particular, could be some significant amounts of rainfall by the time it clears later. For the southeast, dry until the end of the day, and for the north, once we clear the worst of the rain, just some showers following on here. But through Wednesday night, here's the weather front. It sinks southwards, no more than a few showers for the southeast as it does so. Ridge of high pressure then builds in, a brief ridge, but that means for many of us, Thursday's a fine day. A lot of cloud on the map, but many places just dry and bright. The best of the sunshine in the east, the most frequent showers expected in the northwest. Temperatures 17 degrees or so, just a little cooler compared to Wednesday. But the end of the week becomes dominated by this area of low pressure. It looks big and frightening, but actually all it will tend to do for ourselves is churn up a lot of warm weather from the southwest, and you can see these brighter hues, this warmer air coming our way to end the week. However, there will be a weather front that's going to affect northwestern parts of Britain. So for western Scotland, northwest England and Northern Ireland, more spells of rain here, particularly again over the hills. A strong wind blowing and coastal gales. But come further south, a lot of dry weather. And for East Anglia and the southeast in particular, sunshine comes through. Temperatures here could reach 19 or 20 degrees.